I'm just outside right now, and I'm going to show you how I draw different animals and nature. Oh, the bunnies are so cute. So this is my artist vlog, and there are a lot of different features in nature that I could draw, and I'm going to choose certain things that stand out to me that I want to draw. So I'm just walking. It's a nice nature park, and yeah, I'm gonna draw probably some different animals in nature. So as I'm walking through this nature park, I'm just going to show you some clips of animals in nature before I show you my art process. Oh, hey there! Subscribe if you're not already. Squirrel. What's up now, little fella? Enjoying the grass, I see. I love the squirrel stare. This squirrel has a spotlight now. So I've showed you all the different features in nature that I really enjoyed looking at, and I'm just opening my Arrtx acrylic markers from their box, and I am going to choose certain colors that I want to use for the drawings I do of certain animals and nature. And what I had in mind for this drawing I'm going to do overall is to draw like a rabbit and like maybe like a little squirrel as well in the background, and some other features of this nature park I'm at, and just like overall some nice realistic, like contemporary realism type of art style, realistic type of art that I'm focusing on. I mostly have been working with markers for my art lately. And here's another drawing I did. It's just of a cute little duckling with a flower hat and a ladybug on its wing. And then I've got some footage of ducks by the pond as well. I find it quite nice to watch the animals at this nature park, and yeah, they really help with my inspiration for drawing and reflection on how I want to portray my drawings. Now I'm just using this STAEDTLER pencil to draw the bunny rabbit. And just focusing on adding more details to the bunny's face. And I'm just kind of drawing on an angle to get the write drawing results that I would like for this rabbit I'm drawing. And for the eye of this bunny, I am just kind of adding like a fading type of shade, and then my plan is to color it in with the Arrtx markers. So that's how it looks so far for my drawing of the bunny. And now I'm just going to start coloring it in and add the certain highlights and colors that I would like for my drawing. So this bunny is right by some flowers, and now I'm just adding some more colors to finish the flowers designs and to really make them stand out like the ones I saw when I was walking through the nice nature park. So I'm just finishing up this drawing with my pencil and with the markers, and now I just gotta color in the rest of the drawing, and there will also be part 2. So this is just part 1 of my nature artist vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please be sure to like the video if you enjoy and subscribe. Thank you. Also, if you have any animal suggestions for me drawing for other videos or any other original drawing ideas, feel free to leave those in the comments. Now that was just the squirrel I was drawing with the pencil, and yeah, I really like how this has turned out so far. Well, that's pretty much everything I got for this drawing video. This was part 1 of my nature artist blog. And if you are enjoying this video and you liked the art process I showed, be sure to check out part 2 and watch the video. And remember to subscribe as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much if you watched till the end of the video. Continued in the second part.